VS Code Tech Writing Power-Ups, High Fidelity Docs Workflow. Great docs don't happen by accident. They come from consistent language and repeatable habits. When your wording, capitalization, and tone line up, readers trust your brand and navigate faster. In a high-fidelity pipeline, problems found late are expensive, so run checks early, right where you write. A good VS Code extension catches issues as you type, typos, broken links, style drift, so feedback is instant, not a week later in review. That means fewer review cycles and faster publishing without sacrificing quality. Think of it as a smart editor who nudges you toward clarity before your PR ever opens. First, it runs real-time style and terminology linting, guiding you toward approved phrasing and tone. It also validates links, headings, and metadata, so your structure and references stay healthy. Need to reuse content? Use snippet and component helpers to insert callouts, tabs, or notes without hunting for syntax. Best of all, it loads project-aware rules from your style guide. If your team prefers sign in over login or sentence case headings, the extension enforces that automatically. You get instant guidance that mirrors how your docs are actually evaluated. Your CI is strict. Good. This extension mirrors CI checks inside the editor, so failures are visible before commit. You can preview docs as they will render, catching layout or formatting issues early. Local edits align with build rules like lint, schema, and link validation, reducing works on my machine surprises. With fewer back and forths on fixable nits, you reduce handoffs between writers and developers. That means cleaner PRs, faster approvals, and more time spent improving explanations instead of chasing formatting or metadata errors. Turn on Markdown lint plus custom style rules to standardize headings, lists, and spacing. Add a terminology/ban list with suggestions to prevent jargon, inconsistent casing, or deprecated product names. Enforce front matter and schema validation, so titles, descriptions, tags, and versions are always present and correct. Finally, use a link checker for both internal and external references to avoid 404s and stale crosslinks. These features create a guardrail system. You focus on ideas, while the extension guards structure, accuracy, and consistency. Speed up writing with autocomplete for components and callouts. Type a few characters and drop in a polished note, warning, or tab set. Kickstart new content using templates for pages and sections, so every doc starts compliant. Use live previews of API refs or code blocks to confirm parameters, formatting, and syntax highlighting before you commit. And when you slip, rely on one-click fixes for common errors. Heading case, extra spaces, or broken anchors. The result is higher velocity without messy follow-ups or tedious manual cleanup. Consistent terms make translation faster and cheaper. Term consistency supports localization by avoiding ambiguous phrasing. Accessibility improves when the extension checks for alt text and captions, prompting you to describe images and media. It can flag hard to translate idioms, nudging you toward clear, global English. Finally, enforcing a proper heading hierarchy helps screen readers convey structure, so every user can navigate your content. When you write with localization and accessibility in mind, your docs reach more people with less rework. Share a workspace settings file so everyone uses the same rules, dictionaries, and linters. Package your configuration in a project extension pack to onboard new teammates with one install. Add pre-commit hooks to keep local checks aligned with CI, preventing noisy failures later. Document exceptions and rule rationale so writers understand why a guideline exists and when it's okay to override it. These habits turn individual preferences into a team standard, scaling quality without slowing down delivery. Shift quality left into VS Code so issues surface while you write, not after review. Match editor rules to your pipeline to avoid surprises between local and CI. Automate the boring, linting, links, metadata, so you can focus on clarity, structure, and examples. Above all, consistency scales. Shared rules make multi-author docs feel unified, readable, and trustworthy. Power up your editor, and your docs pipeline becomes faster, cleaner, and a lot less stressful.